You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. Yes, I know that sometimes it's a bit confusing. This is the plural of another word, and if you want to learn how to pronounce the singular, how it's different from the plural, from this one, make sure to stay tuned, I got a video for you. This one is pronounced as metamorphoses. Metamorphoses. S sound, E sound, Z sound at the end. Metamorphoses. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.